Hi, my name's Jake. I'm the founder of St. Laurent Property Maintenance out of Hudson, New Hampshire, and I'm making this video to tell you why we're different than any other option you have to take care of your 55-plus community. We've been taking care of homeowner associations since 2011, and we still maintain the first association with dozens others in the Hudson Litchfield market. We are the best choice because we are one of the very few companies that provides fertilization weed control services along with doing the mowing and snow plowing all in-house. We do not use any subcontractors for these services. We have developed a really great team that just takes care of homeowner associations every day. Stamps, if you ever had a question of how long we were there, how many people were on your property, if there was a gate code that you needed us to get into a pool area, some of these homeowner associations have pools and they don't just allow anybody in, we can give that to our technicians every single time. And if there's job notes, like so if they forgot to blow off a patio, well, they'll get to see that every single time. Commerce and all of our employees also donate time to the community service. We would love to talk to you about your association and providing quality service. 603-765-3917, give our office a call or check out our website, stlaurentpm.com. Thanks.